Alright, 1978 KZ400B mostly. Homemade exhaust out of a rigid EMT conduit from Home Depot. 40mm ammo cans. Custom turn signal box. Two-into-one carb system with a copper manifold and fuel line. Can't really see it very well, but there you go. It's a Keenan PE 30mm carb. Rewired dash. And it works like this, mostly. There's a step I'm leaving out. Alright. Main coil. Connected. Main power to the bus. On. Legal lights are on. So that's head, tail, brake. Fog lights, tractor lights. For night driving. Okay. Turn signal box left and right can also run as hazards, horn button, oil and oil pressure and neutral indicator, and dash lights. All right. Starter button. Hot lead, ground for the solenoid, coil power, inline gas on, main gas on, contact. Everything on. Pretty cool, huh?